As you can see in the distance, there's some angry looking clouds, and that's right over where I'm going. Let's hope the rain holds off and there's some splattering of sunshine. Doesn't matter though, even if it rains, I'm out exercising and out in the fresh air. So possibly this will be the first video on my Silver Fox channel, and I'm going to make a series of videos like this, photography videos, daily life videos, visiting different cities and travelling on the bus and on the trains. That's when they're running, because at the moment I don't have a vehicle. I've got rid of it, and possibly, who knows, in the future I might buy myself a small van. I also intend on this channel to have a chat with various people and ask them questions about their early lives, their experiences at school, early life going out drinking, jobs, places they've been, interesting things they've seen. As I travel around, I will meet interesting characters. I also know a few interesting characters, and do a series of informal interviews with them and get them to tell about early life. Obviously older people will be more interesting than the younger people who haven't seen and done as much. So I'm looking forward to that. I've got a few people lined up. Right, the key is to keep out of the mud and to try and film, not have the shadow in front of the lens. Again, all depends on where you position your camera. The tide is due in round about 3:30. It comes in quick as well. So if I can get myself a dozen shots today to upload, quality shots, video clips in 4K, ranging between 10 and 59 seconds. You've got to have it under 1 minute. And people will buy the clips, hopefully, using their own videos. I've sold a few, but like I say, I've not really been concentrating on this sort of thing that much. But now, as I've got more time on my hands, I'm going to try, wherever I go, and gather as many clips as I can. I'm only using this Canon G7X. In time I will purchase a better full frame Sony A7 Mark II or Mark III camera. But the quality on this 4K is good enough. Right, so let me see what we can do here. And the good thing as well about these video clips is you don't need any sound. And not only do you not need the sound, you don't have to do any video manipulation. It's raw footage, which the people who buy the clips can then edit themselves. I've got a bit of blue sky in that, a little bit of water. Right, so I'm currently taking an image of the boat and the clouds in the background, but my Canon G7X, because I'm filming on 4K, is now overheated. Right, the weather's taken a turn for the worse. The clouds are coming in. The bait diggers have vanished, but they've still got the guys playing football. So I'm going to ask them if they can do a few tricks for me. And I'll get these clouds in the background. Should be alright, they might do it, they might not.
Can you record me by myself?
Yeah, could just yourself, yeah. So you Manchester United,
yeah.
And your friend?
Yeah, I think yeah, both.
Both the same.
Both,
Me,
yeah.
Manchester City.
Manchester City.
Yeah. The Manchester City, the champions.
No.
Very good, good. He can speak English? Yeah. It's very eerie when it's like this. Yeah, so it looks like they're filming the bay.
Are you part of the crew?
Hey?
Are you part of the crew?
I'm just a member of the public, mate.
No worries. Are you just for safety? We've got a lot of moving parts.
I'll be alright, pal. I'll just stand here. I'm a grown man. I'm not going to get underneath it or anything.
Yeah,
Alright, pal. So what are they filming here, mate? Was it the bay?
Sorry?
Is it the bay they're filming?
Yes.
Yeah? Yes?
Are you filming? Don't we want to be filmed? This spot is actually closed. Can I ask you to wait over there, please?
I'm in public, pal. I can go where I like.
This spot is closed.
I'll go round here then.
So these people here are extras. They might either stand on that side of the road or up there behind those barriers.
So there you go. You can't go wherever you want in public. So it's some setup, innit?
Excuse me, buddy. You're not part of the set, are you?
I'm not, no.
Is it all right if I actually get behind
Why?
the barriers? Only because it's dangerous. We've got a health and safety risk of all the cars.
No, it's not, because I'm filming and it's narking you.
No, it's, you can. You're allowed.
You've got all these cameras, but I can't walk around filming.
No, it's the
You
health
do
and
own
safety
this
risk.
pavement.
It's the health and
Yeah,
safety
but
risk.
nothing's happening. I've just walked through.
I know, but
I've
it's
been
everyone's
polite.
decided to
No,
lock
it's all about control, mate. It's
Yeah.
all about you trying to control people coming in here.
Exactly,
I'm not
that's
doing
my
any
job.
harm. I just walked through, had a look, I'm going now.
Yeah, that's perfect. That's exactly
Alright, pal.
that's exactly what I'm asking you to do.
Yeah.
I'm not like, I completely get it. Because
Do you know what I
I'm
mean?
interested.
I'm interested in having a
Before I got
look.
into the industry, I used to be absolutely.
Yeah, I'm going to
buzzing
put it on
every time
YouTube
I
as
saw
well.
anything.
Well, got a bunch
So
of
the
me now on
better, yeah,
YouTube.
so the better you are, the better you look.
What's your channel called?
I'm not telling you.
Oh, well, how can I find it then? I can't find it now.
So you've guided me off, but I'm going to walk across there, I'm going to go back round.
And do it again.
It's thousand a shot of guys working and acting and whatever, I can understand it.
Completely.
But they're not.
Yeah,
I've just
completely.
walked through and had a little bit of look what's happening.
Completely.
Right, but you've been polite and whatever, you've been all right, but I triggered the first guy over there, done it on purpose, I was polite to him. So I walked round there, just had a look, and walked across, and then there's another guy, I asked him, I said, oh, what are they filming, is it for the bay?
Right.
And he said, have you got a camera? I said, yeah. I said, you've got loads of cameras. I said, I've just got one on my hat.
Yeah.
It might be on, it might not be,
Yeah.
right? So I said, can you go over there? I says, no. So I kind of walked round here, just had a bit of a look, and then somebody sent you.
Yeah.
So there's 3 people triggered by a little camera.
It's not necessarily the camera, honestly.
Yeah.
Normally it would
But you've been
be.
all right, pal.
Yeah,
You've been
I
smiling
appreciate
and
that. I
whatever.
really do appreciate it. But
Yeah.
it's not, honestly, it's not normally the camera. I will say it's only because of the big crane. And I'm sure,
but
I'm
it's
sure
not
you
moving
can
though now,
understand
is it?
that. It's not
Yeah.
going right now.
No, but I wouldn't have moved if it were going, would I?
You would,
You know, I'm
See,
fit.
you're smart though. You're smart.
I'm 60-year-old.
You know the way to bend it around. But
Yeah.
Obviously,
I know you're doing your job, pal.
Yeah, exactly. We're just all doing our job.
Yeah.
So as soon as we get a call, it's nothing anything personal. You know, I'm sure
Yeah.
you know that.
Yeah.
I'm glad that you thought I was at least nice enough.
Yeah, you are, yeah,
So,
no problems. But what I was finding interesting, like I like making movies, yeah?
Yeah, I love it. That's what I want
Right,
to do.
but what a palaver and equipment and wagons and everything to film little scenes.
know,
Do they
it's mental.
need all that sort of
Yeah,
stuff?
you know what? Funnily enough, you do. You know why? Because it obviously with everything, with a big screen, continuity and everything. If you just let everyone run wild, it would
Yes,
never
I
look
understand.
right.
Yeah,
it would
yeah,
never ever look
But
right.
it must cost a fortune
Oh yeah, 100%.
to do it all. What's your job here?
I'm a location assistant.
Right.
So I deal with the public, to be fair. Security are there to if you were going crazy and like you sat down, you wouldn't move.
Right, I'm going to go over there now and walk round and go
Yeah,
home.
I'll just mention you might get obviously as you know when we go for a take you will
Is there any actors here or are these just little actors?
There's one big actor, I actually don't even know his name, but he's just away in the caravan now until we get to the take. But yeah, like I said, I will mention, you know the guys like in the high visors, they'll probably come up to you if you are around.
Yeah, but if I'm stood over there
yeah,
with them, they can't do all.
yeah, no, but when we're about to go for a take, the weaver will ask you, and if you don't mind, because you have been polite with me.
Yeah, I will. No problem. Yeah, I'm not here to cause any hassle.
no,
I
that's
just
fine.
walk through.
And then also, I know obviously all this is very interesting, and this is where the big footage is there. But this is kind of just for crew.
Yeah,
This area is just for crew. Where we are now is fine.
Yeah.
But behind the barriers would be better.
If it had been like you, I wouldn't have walked through.
Well, I appreciate that.
All right,
No,
Carl.
it kind of made me feel good.
Hey?
It made me feel a bit better. At least I'm doing my job all right.
Yeah, you're doing all right, mate. All right, pal. I'll go walk round. I'm going home now anyway.
I'll walk with you only because of the cars walking through. I just don't want to miss your...
It's not even turned on. This.
It's funny, isn't it?
Or is it?
Or is it? Yeah. Well, I'll find out when I see my face all over the YouTube video. Yeah, if you cut it together, make it look like.
I'll make you look good. What's your name?
Good, yeah.
What's your name?
Louis.
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 I might call it something Louis. Louis the top man or something like that.
Yeah, anything that might sound like I said something bad, cut them bits out. Anyway, we're really
So
nice
all
to
these
chat to
extras are just members of
some of them
public?
aren't, some of them are.
How could I be an extra and earn a few quid?
The thing is, you'd have to speak to an AD. There's all these different things you have to go through. Yeah, so whenever we go for a take, you might get asked to cleared, and then that's it. And then you'll clear, and then if you want to stay around for the rest
All right, pal.
just work with us, and then there's going to be no problems. Brilliant.
All right, mate.
I've had a good chat, to be fair.
Yeah, you've done well.
All right.
You might get promoted.
See you later.
See ya. And that is by not doing anything, because you've got a camera, is how to cause a kerfuffle.